Uh, hey, what's up, everybody? I'm your host, Richard Prophet, the Last Dragon. Listen, today's the day, man. Today's the day. We are finally getting our AC installed in the man cave slash home office. Listen, especially here in Florida, see that sun? The Florida summers here are no joke. So we originally got this home as a winter home for us, to escape the long, cold, brutal New York winters. But so we were just supposed to be down here in the winter, but my wife is really enjoying the home. She's been wanting to do entertaining, some more entertaining for a few years now. So yeah, she's doing it. She's doing it in the big house. So we're down here more often, and she's down here more than me. But hey, when I'm down here, the man cave gets pretty hot because it's not AC'd in there. So today I'm putting putting a mini split in there, and should cool it off great. Yep. All right. So my neighbor has one. He told me they work great. So we're gonna cool off the man cave. All right. And today's the day. Hey, what's on the wrist, you ask? Solid gold Apex Predator. Still the biggest all gold Rolex you can buy. All right, and I personally love the watch. Hey. Cheers, family. A black wire that's encased in metal. Can I bring that? It's like 20 feet long. So what I need you to do, start taking everything off the unit. Eight. All right. So I just got a call. They told me that the AC is installed and it's waiting for me to come check it out. So let's see what we got. We're gonna walk around back. Well, here we can walk around the side. We're gonna walk to the side and we're gonna check it out. The mobile groomers are here. They're grooming the guys. All right, I'll check on them in a bit. All right. 8. All right, so listen. So before I show you the unit, let me just say this. So my neighbor had one installed, right? And he says he loves it throughout the year, but he says sometimes in the hotter summer months, it's not as cool in there as he would like to have it. So what I did was I saw which one he had, what size he had, and when I got a company to come out and install mine, I tripled the one he has. All right, let's check it out. All right, that's it. That's the unit we have. I mean, it's a big unit. It's a big unit. I mean, we have a big house, but the space that this AC cools is maybe about 1,000 square feet. I mean, is it a little overkill? Maybe. But the thing is, I rather overdo it than underdo it. You understand what I'm saying? Because you spend all the money to have it done. I mean, because this is several $1,000s. It's not cheap. You spend all this money to have it done, have it installed, have it this and that, and then for it to not work, or you have to redo it or do it all over again. So you're just flushing money down the toilet. So I went with the bigger one just to be on the safe side. All right. So let's go inside and I'll show it to you. All right, so there it is. There it is. It actually is a lot sleeker and a lot aesthetically pleasing. It's a lot more aesthetically pleasing than I thought it would be. It actually looks cool. It blends right into the white wall, and yeah, So I'm gonna decorate it with some pictures and stuff, and yeah, I think it's gonna be a compliment to this wall. Absolutely. So let's only thing left is to turn it on. Let's check it out. Let's see if it actually cools off the space. I mean, like I said, is it overkill? Did I get too much of a unit? Probably. I didn't need this much tonnage of a unit, but or BTUs or whatever. But hey, I'd rather be safe. I want to be comfortable in here in the summer, when I'm here in the summer. All right, so let's check it out. All right, so it comes with this remote. Got the temperature right on the remote. All right, let's check it out. All right, so we got this remote here. You set the temperature right on the remote. I mean, I gotta look through the manual or whatever, but I gotta figure this out. But all right, so pretty sure we just hit that. Ah, there we go. The vent opens up. Guess it adjusts itself there. And that's it. We got cool air. Wow, I feel it immediately. Oh yeah. Oh wow, I feel it immediately. It's actually pretty quiet. You might hear some water in the background or whatever. I got some water features here, in the office, but in the front of the home as well, I got some water features. If you don't know, that's very feng shui. You gotta have water features. Yeah, so yeah, it's actually cold already in here. Wow, that's amazing. So, like I said, is it overkill? Maybe, but hey, I wanted to do it right. Do it right the first time. You only have to do it once. If I would have underdid it and then I would have had to spend the money twice, that would have made no sense. I spent more money at first, but it's not the headache of getting the company out here, scheduling. Somebody's got to be here and all that. Because I travel a lot, so I got to take advantage when I'm able to. So yeah, I got it, and it feels great. It's already cold in here. I actually might have to turn it down. Hey, yeah, so that's it, man. That's it. We got our unit up. It's installed. It's cooling down in here, and I'll give you a video of the. Gotta move some stuff back around or whatever. I'll give you a video of the man cave. Our home away from home man cave. Some of the stuff we keep up there. But yeah, so that's coming soon. Hey. Cheers, family.